The 1v1 doesn't have... to do 1v1s, you've got to be at a level that you can do 1v1s. And I'm not at the level where I can do 1v1s. Because 99.9% of the time, someone will just take my wall, edit, and I'm dead. So until you can actually get to the point where you can actually fight someone properly, then the opposite effect. And I wouldn't actually play the game because of that. I'd have been demotivated and given up. So, I mean, for someone like yourself, and don't tell me you've been in the same situation because you're still a million times better. Oh, these trees are so annoying. I've been trying 4 years to get to the point where you can... Oh, mate. Mm. Yeah, there's a difference between a 20-year-old, you know, someone in their, I don't know, 13 to 25 to being in your 60s and trying to learn how to do it. And don't forget, you could do FPS games as well. So your aim was good. I'm just talking, I'm just doing generally someone from CS was your first. So, I mean, like the new Ballistic that's coming out in 1 hour's time. You're going to enjoy that because that's CSGO in Fortnite. All I'm saying is that for me personally, doing one for over and over and over and over again and dying instantly is not going to motivate me to want to try and improve. It's going to motivate me to stop playing. I don't even know what this Marvel Rivals is. Someone else was playing that. Is it? I think it's already out, isn't it? That's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. It's so fun. But what is it? Stupid is doing what? It's like Overwatch. Okay, alright. I don't even know how to play Overwatch, so... I don't think I've ever even watched a game of Overwatch. No, I'm not going to 1v1. I'm trying